Good morning, all of you. I am Tapasya. I am going to represent you today's assembly with my dearest friend of standard 4th A. Shlok and pair. All of you get ready to prayer position. Join your hands and close your eyes. Sit straight. Start Shlok. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Naneshwari will present today's almanac. Good morning, I am Naneshwari. I am going to present you today's almanac. Day Monday, date 27 January 2025. Month Paush Tithi Krishna. 13 Nakshatra Mool. Sunrise happened at 14 minutes past 7. Sunset will be 28 minutes past 6. Thank you, Naneshwari. Good thought. Now Rahul will present today's good thought. Good thought. Good morning. I am Rahul. I am going to today's good thought. Kindness in the language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Thank you, Rahul. Day special. Now Aditya will present today's day special. Today's day special. Good morning. I am Aditya. I am going to present today's day special. 1967 Maharashtra State Textbook Production and Curriculum Research Board was established. Thank you, Aditya. News headlines. Now Gauri will present today's news headlines. Republic. Good morning, all of you. I am Gauri. I am going to present you today's news headlines. Republic Day is celebrated with enthusiasm across the country. Thank you, Gauri. Moral story. Now Sarang will present today's moral story. Moral story. Good morning, all of you. I am Sarang. I am present today's moral story. My story name is An Old Farmer and His Sons. There was a farmer and he had three sons. He all time quarreled. One day farmer brought a bundle of sticks and he ordered his sons break it, but his sons failed. Then he untied the bundle of the sticks and ordered break the sticks. He broke them easily. More of the story. Unity is strength. Thank you, Sarang. English words. Now Srushti will present today's English words. आजचा इंग्रज शब्द. Good morning, all of you. I am Srushti. I am going to present today's English word. B-U-R-N. Burn. Burn means जाने. B-U-R-N. Burn means जाने. F-A-C-E. Face. Face means चेहरा. F-A-C-E. Face means चेहरा. W-A-Y. Way means मार्ग. W-A-Y. T-R-U-T-H. Truth means सत्य. S-T-A-Y. Stay means रहने. W-A-R-M. Warm means उबदार. Thank you, Srushti. Tables. Now Pretend will present today's tables. Good morning. I am Pritam. I am going to present today's tables. 27 एक 27. 27 दोन्ही 54. 27 त्रिक 81. 27 चौक 108. 27 पाच 135. 162 27 189 27 216 27 243 27 270 27 1 27 27 2 54 27 3 81 27 4 108 27 5 135 27 6 162 27 7 189 27 8 216 27 9 243 27 10 270. Thank you, Priten. General knowledge questions. Now, Pranav will present today's general knowledge questions. Good morning, I am Pranav. I am going to present today's general knowledge question. General knowledge question. Question number 1. What shape has 3 sides?
What shape has 3 sides? 3 sides चा shape कोणता? Very good.
Answer triangle. Question number 2. Which is the longest river in the world?
In the world, which is longest river? River longest in the world. Sanchit.
Nile.
Nile. Very good.
Answer Nile. Question number 3. Which is the largest ocean on earth?
Ocean. Largest ocean. सांग.
Answer Pacific Ocean. Question number 4. Who invented the light bulb?
Light bulb. Who invented? आहे का बघा तिथं. विजेच्या दिव्याचा शोध कोणी लावला? सांगा. लाईट बल्ब, विजेचा दिवा.
Answer Thomas Edison. Question number 5. Which currency is used in India?
इंडियामध्ये कोणती करन्सी आहे? करन्सी. विराट.
Answer rupee. Thank you, Pranav. Puzzles. Now Ankita will present today's puzzles. Today's puzzles. Good morning, all of you. I am Ankita. I am going to present you today's puzzles. Puzzles number 1. I am hot and I live in the sky. I am bright. Don't look directly at me. I will disappear at night. Who I am? Sun. Puzzles number 2. I am red. Blood pumps through me. I live in your body. I am the symbol for love. Please don't break me. Who I am?
ब्लड सर्क्युलेट करतो बॉडी मध्ये आणि सिम्बॉल ऑफ लव्ह आहे. प्रेमाचं प्रतीक असतं आपल्या शरीरात. काय येते? सांग. व्हेरी गुड.
Puzzle number 3. I come in my different